Morning, Jason.
Morning, Kevin.
Sun's shining. Big ball of fire in the sky.
It's still cold though, isn't it?
Yeah.
I've got a treat for you today.
Go.
I've got a real good treat for you. Any van, any manufacturer, pick anyone you want.
Hymer. I've cocked it up for you. I've seen them, look. Are they a breeding pair?
Look at that.
Are they breeding?
That.
Are we breeding?
German efficiency at its best.
Which one's a mummy and which one's a daddy?
We're going to compare the two, Kev. Right. So, on your left, you have a Hymer Campus Free. It's...
No, Jason, that's on my right.
No, it's on my left.
It's on my right.
You're...
Look, people watching this video, when you say, and on the left, they'll say, it's on the right.
That's left.
Yeah, but they're going to be looking at it on a screen like that, and it's going to be on their right.
Oh, yeah?
You just can't get a step. One job you had.
Are you ready?
Go on, one job.
Over this side.
Yeah. That was a cop out. Go on.
We have a Hymer Campus Free. It's still under 6 metres. Yeah? 3,500 kilograms, 2.3, 2021. It's automatic as well. Yeah.
Nice, isn't it? I like the colour.
I do. Right, on this side, right, we have a Hymer Free 540, 5.4 metres.
That means the one on the left.
So 6 metres, 5.4 metres, 600 mil. Okay, does that size make the difference? This one's a 2019, it's manual, 3,500 kilograms. This one's done 25,000 miles. Oh, this one's done 12,000 miles. So they're going to be ranging between the 50 and 60k, right? What's your first impressions?
Nice. I'm not
Great colours.
Yeah. Yeah, I like the colours.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Aerodynamically grey. Yeah. And wish-washy white with a hint of grey.
Yeah, got a different roof on this one.
Oh yeah. I suppose you can ask me demonstrate it now, aren't
Yeah.
you? Bear with me. And then I will test you on you.
We're going to have to walk backwards and forwards because they have doors on the other side on that one.
Why'd you do that?
Because you made me.
Oh, you've switched.
Not touched anything.
Oh, got a battery problem, Kev.
As in flat.
Yeah. Just explain to how the weather really does do batteries at the
Oh
moment.
yeah, yeah. It does on the camera as well.
Doesn't it?
Cold weather, yeah. So all you people that are buying electric cars, you're not going to get the mileage out of it cold weather. And as you can see, we've got a pop top on this one, which Jason's struggling. What are you doing there? Come on, shake yourself.
I keep getting stuck on my pop top.
Battery will be flat on this by the time you've done it. There it goes. And up she rises.
That's made a difference, hasn't it?
Yeah. Now that makes me think there's full berth. Can you sleep up there?
Well, it's a pop top, you'll be able to slip up there, aren't you?
Yeah.
To be honest. So, this one here, on your whatever side it is, this one is a 3-berth.
Mm-hmm.
This one is a 4-berth.
Because you've got the pop top, the bedroom up there.
This one on this side.
On your right, the one on your right.
This one here. Yeah. This one here.
Your left, my right.
Freshwater capacity.
80.
100. This one, freshwater capacity.
100.
Ooh, okay.
The Hymers, you're not going to put different size tanks in, are they?
Wastewater capacity.
70.
100.
100. So that'll be 100 as well.
See, you get this one right, eh? Hey, we'll see. Wastewater on that one.
100.
Yeah.
Yeah. There you go.
First impressions, Kev.
Nice vans.
Both good looking vans.
Nice alloys.
Yeah.
I think
Where do you want to go first?
We'll go in this one soon as the door's open.
Okay. In we come. So the answer to your question, Kevin. bit awkward here because we've got no lights on, have we?
No, no.
There is, I don't know if you're going to see that, which won't be that good, is the sleeping area.
Right.
We actually made this video up just on a whim, didn't we?
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do is, do you want to just do the cab and do this area here while I go from the back door so we can get more light in?
So we've got your standard cab, got a nice media pack in this one, Jason. Yeah, lovely media pack. Blinds. And you got windscreen blind. Yep, blinds on the windscreen. And we're automatic with the true automatic 9-speed auto. Lovely gearbox that. Yep.
And just quickly do the dinette. I'll come round and do this with you. So don't forget, we've got the sleeping above, so that's your 2-berth.
Yep.
Yeah. It might make a bit of an emergency bed up.
I think make a little single down.
Yeah. We've got the seating area yourselves. Did you say the seats swivel?
Yep. 4 belted seats.
Heating system will be underneath there. Okay. And then just quickly look around, we do have the Truma heater and hot water, 2-burner hob, sink, loads of prep area there,
Yeah.
storage, Kev, isn't there?
Plenty. Got a little lifty thing as well.
Oh, drain offs, like.
Oh, that's handy.
Right, so let's go and have a look at the Hymer. No, the small Hymer. Now, this is the 3-berth, isn't it?
The 540.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a long way down there.
Isn't it? So what we are going to go over, it's obviously going to have your fleur with your cassette toilet and everything else. Yeah. Don't forget, this is the 3-berth cab. Now John was in the middle of cleaning this, getting ready for sale, right, and we stole it off him. Yeah. Okay. So, looking familiar, isn't it?
It is, yeah. Same sort of dinette area.
Yeah.
Got the compressor fridge here.
Oh yeah, did we mention the compressor fridge in the other one?
No, we didn't.
We'll do that in a sec. Same type of cab, isn't it? On its manual.
Manual gearbox.
Is that the same type?
Different media pack.
Okay.
You got storage above there. A skylight there.
Yeah, same there.
Storage there. Exactly the same hob and sink.
2-burner hob.
Identical hob and sink.
Yeah. And then got a cassette. You got your lifty uppy thing as well, Kev, haven't you?
Yep. Lifty uppy. Same as you look.
Let's just double check. Same type of thing under there. And all the controls the same, Kev.
Exactly the same controls, yeah. Yep, got Truma heating, same control panel.
Okay. Now, while we're here, washroom.
Yeah.
Just remember the size of that washroom to see if there's any difference in size.
Yeah. Obviously wet room.
Yeah.
Everything gets wet, including yourself.
Okay.
That's okay.
Let's move on to the next one. We've got to remember where the fridge was, and also just remember the size of the washroom, Kev.
Right.
So, no fridge.
No fridge.
No fridge.
No fridge.
No fridge.
Must be a fridge somewhere.
Fridge is here.
Big fridge.
Good spot.
Yeah. Ooh. Which, when you think about it, 4-berth, need a bigger fridge.
Correcto.
Yeah. Shower room.
Same size.
Exactly the same.
Same size.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly the same shower room.
So I'm going to move over to the back.
Now we've got plenty of...
What do you do with the camera, Kev? You're supposed to be the cameraman.
You can carry your bikes here.
Yeah.
That back.
Oh, hang on.
So you got, yeah, you can put your
I'm
bikes in.
teetering on the edge of the brink here.
You've got shackles there for tying your bikes up, so you can have your bikes inside. Or
storage and stuff.
even a mobility scooter.
Oh, you could
You
do.
can put a mobility scooter in there, couldn't you? Yeah. And then we then have a transverse double bed.
As one is demonstrating. Like so. Are you doing your camera
I'd be
work here,
tempted-
Kev?
yeah.
You're not taking your camera work serious, are you?
I'd be tempted to put them the other way up.
What, that way?
No, to sleep on that part of it, wouldn't you?
I suppose so.
A bit slippy slidey on that way, isn't it?
Slippy slide. This is new terminology, Kev.
Yeah.
Oh. See that?
And we've got separation there as well.
Yeah, I've got a bit of a curtain, separation. Yeah, one thing we do here, let me just show you. Let me just put this down here. Just show you this. This is where the fresh water tank is there.
That's right.
And then you can actually have it.
Yeah, you can reduce it. You can carry just 20 litres, so you're not carrying a lot of extra weight.
No.
Because what does a litre of water weigh?
Kilogram?
Yeah.
How does it? And then the gas bottles are here.
Yeah.
Right. So.
We've got chairs there.
Yeah, these are extras though. So let's go back into the other one and see.
I think they come as standard with this van, don't they? Them chairs.
Where's the extra length gone then, Kev?
I don't know. Yeah, they come with the van, these.
Okay. Yeah, but where's the extra length gone?
I don't know. I can't figure it out. Open these back doors.
Alright, I'll go inside.
Well, that's the same size bed, isn't it?
Yeah.
The gas bottles are here. Let's have another look over here.
Hey?
I can't figure this out. Is the bed wider? I think the bed's wider.
Well, it's not longer, is it? Right. Have a look at the dinette area.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Can I just have a look at the dinette area here? I'm not convinced though.
No. I think it's a bed, I think.
Who stole the 400mm?
Hmm.
Right, meet you around the back and I'll demonstrate. Oh, anyway, Kev, I've got it. I've sussed it. I know where it's gone. Fridge was here, wasn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Just go and demonstrate where the fridge is, isn't it?
Yep.
Just for... We found the 400mm. We found it, Kev.
Because we've got the small compressor fridge down there. In that one.
Yeah.
We've got the fridge.
Yeah. And this is longer, isn't it?
Yep. Yep, that's longer.
That'll be longer.
I think the bed's about the same size, actually.
Yeah, I think so. So it's here.
Yeah.
So...
Slightly larger kitchen area. And a bigger fridge, because it's a 4-berth.
Not so much that, Kev. I think the kitchen prepper... Where's he gone? The kitchen prep area
Slightly bigger.
It's the same, but look. Oh, I'm in the wrong van. Yeah, this is...
Yeah.
You're not getting your fridge.
Yeah.
So we're getting exactly the same at the back, aren't we?
Yeah.
I'm teetering again, Kev. I'm teetering. Luke, teetering.
I don't know whether that bed's a bit short.
Right, do you want me to go and get a tape measure?
Don't just use that thing there.
What thing?
The awning winder. Get the awning winder.
So is this your way of measuring?
Yeah.
What am I measuring?
Put it on there. Measure the length of that.
Can't the awning winder go for it?
It's extendable.
Right, so we get on the edge of there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hang on, Kev, you want a proper accurate...
We're not to within a millimetre. Come on.
Right, off we go.
Off we go. Doing a lot of walking this morning. Doing a lot of walking this morning.
Your legs are going to be worn out, aren't they? You go that way and I'll go this way. Oh, you don't want to go that way then?
No.
Oh!
See?
Ah!
Slightly longer on the bed. Yeah.
Yeah. So you're getting that much extra.
In the bed.
And also
the fridge.
With the fridge. So as I quite rightly pointed out, the bed is a bit smaller.
Yeah.
And where on the other one you got the fridge there, didn't you?
Yeah.
But again, pretty much the same again. So
you haven't got a curtain on this either, separation. No.
So this is really a 2-berth. The other one is a 4-berth where you can sleep above and then you can also sleep on here. As far as the layout's pretty much
You've got the lights that you like as well.
Oh, I know. I know. So the question is, Which Hymer would you pick?
I'd go with that one.
Why?
You've got that little bit extra.
Yeah, but would you though, Kev? Would you use the pop top?
No.
So there's no point.
No, true.
This is really.
No.
So I hope you enjoyed the video. It's a quick video of Hymer versus the Hymer, only because we've got two Hymers in. So we used our initiative and thought, let's do a video of a Hymer. If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, we'll see you in another video. Do you want to say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.